Namaste. Hi, hi, Dintika. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Today we are discussing about the three problems in our 14.1 exercise. Today we are discussing exercise 14.1 fourth problem. Okay, page number 337. 337. Okay, now fourth problem. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and their heartbeat per minute was recorded and summarized as shown. Okay? Now find the mean heartbeat per minute for this woman choosing a suitable method. Okay? Means what some of the heartbeat given for some woman in hospital. Okay? Now we have to find the mean. Okay? By using a suitable method. Okay? Actually, we are having three methods. What? Direct method, assuming mean method, substitution method. Okay? He said she asked by choosing a suitable method means what? It can do in any way. Okay? But sometimes in the examination point of view, he can ask find the mean heartbeat of the woman by using assuming methods or find the mean heartbeat by using step deviation method or find the heartbeat of woman by using direct methods. Okay? In that case, we have to do the method that is asked in the question. Okay? So don't confuse. Here, any method is suitable method is asked. So you can do any method. Okay? Now, the number of heartbeats per minute 65 to 68 2. Okay, 68 to 71 4. 71 to 74 3. Okay, 74 to 77 8. Okay, 77 to 80 7. Okay, 80 to 83 4. Okay, 83 to 86 2. Means what? This is the class interval. This is the frequency. Okay, since this is a frequency, it is indicated by the letter Fi. Fi. Okay, now what to find the value of xi. Okay, before xi, add the total Fi's. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 to 6, 17. 17 to 7, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Okay, 28. 28 to 2, 30. So, sigma Fi equal to 30. Okay, now, xi. Xi I told you. Xi equal to lower bounded by 2. In the vertical zone, I said the how to find the value of xi. Starting something got the lower bounded by upper bounded by 2. Okay, now 65 by 68. How much? 65 by 68. How much? 8 plus 13. 6 plus 6 to 13. So 133 by 2. 133 by 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 1 13. Again 2 6 are 12. So 66.5. Okay, 66.5. Okay, now second one. And out. No. No, 66.5. No, 68 plus 71. 68 plus 71. Okay, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 6, 13. Yeah, 113. 113 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 1 left back. 19. So, 2 9 2 9 18. Okay, so 69.5. Okay, 69.5. Okay, similarly you can get other values. Okay, because the difference between the lower boundary and upper boundary is 3. Okay, that's why only the difference between two xi values is 3. So add 3 to the net values. Okay, so 3 plus 3, 72. 72.5. Net 75.5. Okay, net 78.5. 78.5. Net 81.5. 81.5. Okay, now net one 84.5. 84.4. Sorry, 84.5. Okay, now exercise we got. Okay, I explained that because I explained clearly about the subdivision in the vertical. Okay, same classes we have to follow for each and every problem. Okay, so I am explaining in a direct way. Okay, now we have got exercise. Okay, in this I am assuming 75.5 as A value. Okay, means what A equal to 75.5. And A equal to 75.5 నేను అనుకున్నా. ఓకే, మీరు అనుకోవాలంటే మీ ఏదైనా అనుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో A equal to 75.5. అయితే A equal to 75.5. Okay, net dA equal to what? Xi minus A. Or they said to you what? dA equal to xi minus A. Okay, according to this formula you have to find the corresponding dA values. Okay, according to this formula dA equal to xi minus A. Okay, now xi 66.5 minus 75.5 into what? 9. Okay, 16 plus 9 equal to 75. 0.5, 0.5, 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, end up. So directly we can write. Okay, next. 75.5 minus 69.5. 6. Okay, now 75 minus 6. Sorry. 56.5 minus 75.5 into what? Minus into what? 56.5 minus 75.5. Okay? In this which is become number 75.5. It is a minus number. So minus. Okay? Similarly, for this also minus. 16.5 minus 75.5 minus 6. Okay? No. 72.5 minus 75.5 equal to minus 3. Minus 3. Okay? Any doubt? I think so. You are not any doubt. So I am continuing. Okay? Now 75.5 minus 75.5 0. 0. Okay? Now 78.5 minus 75.5 3. Okay? 81.5 minus 75.5 6. Okay? 84.5 minus 78.5 81.5 minus 75.5. Okay, now 84.5 minus 75.5 9. Okay, end up 84.5 minus 79 75.5 9. 78.5 minus 75.5 equal to 3. 81.5 minus 75.5 equal to 6. 84.5 minus 75.5 equal to 9. Okay? Any doubt? I think so. You are not any doubt. Okay? If you have any doubt, contact me. Okay? Now, these are derivatives. UI equal to what? I told you. Or the UI equal to di by h. Okay? UI equal to di by h. H means you are height of the car. What is the height of the car? The difference between any two boundaries of the car. That may be either lower boundary or upper boundary. Okay? So 68 minus 65 3. 71 minus 68 3. Okay? So height equal to 3. Okay? Now u equal to what? Di by h. So minus 9 by 3 minus 3. Okay? No, minus 60 by 3 minus 2. Minus 2. Okay? Minus 3 by 3 minus 1. 0 by 3 0. 3 by 3 1 no. 3 by 3 1 no. By 3 1 nothing. Okay? 6 by 3 2. 9 by 3 3. Okay? Now we have got the UI values. Okay? 9 by 3 equal to what? 3. 9 by 3 equal to 3. Okay? Now Okay. Now what you want? Fi into ui. Fi into ui. Okay. Pressing the minus. Okay. 2 to the 6. Okay. Now pressing the minus. 4 to the 8. 8. Okay. Now pressing the minus. 3 on the 3. Okay. Next 8 into 0. 0. 8 0 0. Okay. Now 7 on the 7. Okay. Now 4 to the 8. Okay. Now 2 to the 6. Okay. 4 to the 8. Okay. 2 to the 6. Now you have to add these values. Fi your values. Nothing but sigma Fi your. Okay. And out. Now we are adding minus 6 minus 8 minus 3 plus 0 plus 7 okay plus 8 plus 6. Okay. Now minus 6 to minus 8 minus 14 minus 14 minus 3 minus 17. Okay. Minus 17 plus 0. 0 plus 7. 7 plus 8. 15. Okay. 15 plus 6. 21. Okay. Now minus into minus. 21 minus 70 how much? 5. Okay. So comparing to 70, 21 is bigger. So plus symbol. So sigma Fi equal what? 5. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to find the mean value. Now the mean value given by h equal to 3. Okay. Okay. The mean value x bar equal to a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. Okay, equal to 75.5 plus sigma Fi what? 5 by 21. 5 by sigma fi 30, sorry. Sigma fi equal 30. Sigma fi equal 30 into 3. Okay? Now 3 on the 3 tender. Okay? 75.5 plus 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Okay? So that is nothing but 75.5 plus 0.5. 5 by 10 means what? 0.5. Okay? Now 75.5 with 0.5 equal to 80.0. 80.0. That is nothing but 80. Okay? This is the mean. Okay? So the mean heartbeat of the mean heartbeat per minute for the given woman is 80. Okay? In doubt? Anybody? And into the no doubt. Okay? I think so there is no doubt. Okay, in this way you have to do the mean problems. Okay? Okay? In the in order body का XY को 75.5 पे 0.5 and nothing but 75.5 plus 0.5 addition you have to do. Okay? Now 5 plus 5 10. Okay? 5 plus 1 6. 7. Okay? 76.0. So XY equal to 76. Okay? That is the answer. Okay? Any doubt? Now, we are moving to the fifth problem. Okay? What is the fifth problem? In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling oranges kept in packing baskets. Okay? These baskets contained varying number of oranges. In all baskets, equal number of oranges are not there. In each basket, different number of oranges are located. Okay? That is nothing but a weighing definition. Okay? When the weighing was the distribution of oranges. Okay? Find the mean number of oranges kept in each basket. Okay? Which method of finding the mean did you choose? Okay? Did you choose mean we choose assume mean method. Okay? Now 10 to 14. 15 to 19, 110, 20 to 24, 135, 25 to 29, 115, 30 to 34, 25. Now count to the number of baskets. Okay? Now 15 plus 110, 135, 115, 25. Okay. Now count the number of baskets. Okay. 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Okay. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 22. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, in doubt? Okay, so sigma Fi Ui. Fi. How is sigma Fi equal to 400. Okay, 400. Okay. 400. Okay. Okay. 400. Okay. Now come in the no. Now what you have to do? You have to find the Xi value. Okay. You have to find the Xi value. Okay. Xi. Okay. Now then the 14. 14 by 2, 7. Okay. 14 by 2, 7. Huh? Okay, now 15. 15 with 19, 34. 34 by 2, 70. Sorry. Ten plus 14, 28. Okay? 10 plus 14, 28. 24, sorry. 10 plus 14 equal 24. Okay, 24 by 2, 12. Okay? 25 by 2 equal to 12. Okay? Now 15 plus 19, 34. 34 by 2, 70. Okay? 17. Okay? Now next difference is final. So add 5. 12, 17, next 22, 27. Okay? 27, 32. Okay? And now, in this, I am choosing 27 as 22. 22 as A value. Okay? Now, then what you have to find DA? DA equal to what? XI minus A. Into what? A equal to what? 22. A equal to 22. Okay? Now, DA equal to what? XI minus A. Now, 12 minus 22 minus 10. Okay? Now, 17 minus 22 minus 5. Okay? End out. Now, 22 minus 22, 0. Okay? I told you already in the previous problem that DA equal to XI minus A. Okay? So, 22 minus 22 equal 0. Now, 27 minus 22 equal to 5. Now, 32 minus 22 equal 10. Okay? Now, what you have to do? You have to multiply the value of Fi and DA. Okay, Fy into dx. Fy into dx. Okay, now Fy into dx. Okay, now 15 10 percent minus 15 is 150 minus 150. Okay, next 110 percent minus. Okay, now 110 into 5 550 550. Okay, now 135 into 0. Okay, 135 into 0. Okay, now 150 into 5. Do 150 into 5. 5 5 25. 2. Okay, 5 minus 5. 5 with 2. 7. Okay, 5 minus 5. So 575. Okay, 575. Okay, now 25 into 10 250. Okay, 250. Okay, now we got FIDA values. Now we have to sum up we have to add the total FIDA values. Okay, in doubt. So that is nothing but okay, 150 minus 150 minus 550. How much? Minus 700. Okay, minus 150 minus 550 minus into minus plus. So we have to add. So minus 700. Okay, minus 700 plus 0 minus 700. Okay, now 575 with 250. 575 plus 250 equal to what? 5 with 0 5. On the side 12. Okay, on carry. 5 with 2 7. On the side 8. Okay, now minus 825 minus 750. Okay, 825 minus 700. Okay, what you can get? 125. Okay, minus 700. 825. In this, which is bigger? 825 is big. Okay, so the 125 can have positive symbol, plus symbol. Okay, now so sigma FIDA equal to sigma FIDA equal to how much? 125. Okay, and out. Now you have to calculate the mean value. Okay, and out. Division method, no. Assuming method, no. What is the form of assuming method? X bar equal to ये बस sigma fi dA by sigma fi. Okay. Now there is no value of h. Okay, so there is no need of height value in aluminium. Only interpretation of the HY is needed. Okay. Now aluminum matter. Okay. Now x bar equal to a plus sigma fi dA by sigma fi okay, equal to 22 plus 125 by 800 400. Okay, 125 by 400. 125 by 400. Okay, now 125 on the 125 is okay, 125 is wait, 400 divided by 125. 125. Okay, how much? 125 on the 125. Okay. Okay. Cannot get like this. So we can go by 5. Okay. Now 22 plus 125 by 400. Okay. Okay, 25 ja. 25 5 ja. 125. Okay. Now 25 8 ja. 400 by 25. 400 by 25. Okay. 25 under 25. Okay. Now 15 left. Okay. Now 0. 25 theta 150. 25. Oh, sorry. 25 theta 159. 25 6 25 6 150. Okay. 0. Okay. So 125 5 25 5 125. 25 16 how much? 400. Okay. End out. No, equal to 22 plus 5 by 16. Okay. Now 5 by 16 divide. Okay. Five by 16. Okay. 5 divided by 15. Okay, can't go. So put a point. 0.15 is a 48. Again 2. 0. 15 1 the 15. So 0.7. 0.31 plus 22. Okay? Equal to 22.0. 22.31. Okay? Any doubt? I think so. There is no doubt. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay? So when the class is completed, tomorrow we can meet it. Okay? Thank you.